How to recover Roblox account if you lost access to the Authenticator app. Here's what you need to do. You will need to open up the browser on your phone and Google search for Roblox support. Right here, we're gonna click on the first link that pops up and it should take us to this page. Now, even if you're not signed in, you can contact support. You will need to provide your email address. So here you will type an email address which you have access to and then confirm it in the second field here. This is very important because we need to talk to support. Now, what device are you having the problem on? You will choose the type of device which you use to play. So Android phone, iPhone, I'm going to use iPhone. And the help category type is going to be account hacked or can't log in. And the help subcategory is going to be lost access to my two-step verification method. Now I need you to type this, so I will probably leave it as a pinned comment so you have access to it. I have lost access to my Authenticator app and can't log in. Please help me. Afterwards, if you have provided your email address here in the fields above which I showed you, you will click on continue. This is going to connect you to an AI agent, and what you have to type there is talk to human. Just like that, and you will send it. This is going to connect you with a human to the email address which you have provided in the fields above, and you will explain that you have lost access to the Microsoft Authenticator or the Google Authenticator, whatever it may be, and they will assist you if you provide further information that you have ownership of the account, and they will restore it. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.